Thank you for clicking on this video, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make any Android phone look like a Google Pixel 2. The new Pixel 2 comes with some great software, including a new launcher from Google and Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. In this video, I'll show you how to replicate these features on any Android smartphone. First of all, download Nova Launcher, available for free on the Play Store. Then, go into Settings and select Nova Launcher as your default launcher. After that, go into Nova Settings, select Dock, Search Bar and Dock, and below icons. Then go to Dock Background and make sure that's disabled. Now we need to change the search bar style. Go to Desktop and select Search Bar Style. Choose the one at the top with the rounded corners. Then scroll down and select the Color G logo. Next we need the Pixel 2's icons. Go to the Play Store and download the Pixel 2 icon pack, available for free. Then head to Nova Settings, Look and Feel, and select Adaptive Oreo Style Icons. Then select the Pixel icon pack from the top. Now we'll need the Pixel's home screen widget. Simply download another widget from the Play Store, go into Settings, and adjust the first row text size to 20 SP, and then the second row text size to 12 SP. Then scroll down and give it access to your events and also weather. The default temperature unit is Fahrenheit, so you're going to have to change that to degrees Celsius if you live in a country like Australia. Then go home and hold the home screen. Then select widgets and scroll down until you see another widget. Drag it to the top of the screen and then select Add Widget. Next we'll need the Pixel's iconic live wallpapers. Download Google Wallpapers from the Play Store and then navigate to the link in the description. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see a section titled Downloads. Select the Google Drive option from the bottom. It will redirect you to a link where you can download the APK. The file is 100% safe and contains no viruses, but you'll have to go to Settings and allow unknown sources before installation, as your phone automatically blocks apps that are not on the Play Store. Then, head on over to Google Wallpapers. Then, scroll down to the bottom until you see a section titled Live Wallpapers. Select your favorite. Personally, I like Calming Coastline, which has some waves crashing on a beach. Apply the wallpaper and head back home to see your new moving wallpaper. We'll now need to download Pixel Navigation Bar, available for free on the Play Store. Then, all you need to do is open the app and enable. Simple as that. You can adjust the size and positioning of the icons to fit your existing navigation bar. Bear in mind, this is a work in progress and still has a few glitches. If you like the Pixel's Always On screen, you can download Always On AMOLED, also on the Play Store. Then, go into the app and enable it. You can also change the watch face, but most of them come with Pro. Aesthetically, our phone's almost identical to the Pixel 2 now, but if you want a few of the unique features that come with the phone, well, I've got some good news for you. Head to the Play Store and download Shazam to get the Now Playing feature on your phone. And download Holo to get the AR stickers. If your phone now looks like a Google Pixel 2, consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Also, Kali Linux videos will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.